Step into the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and cruise control. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.